Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Do you ever feel like the whole point of a Teams meeting was lost on you? Maybe you're never quite sure what the post-meeting actions are supposed to be. Microsoft's latest AI-based feature called Meeting Recap could be the missing piece of the puzzle. It lets you wave bye-bye to tedious meeting notes and say hello to summaries that capture all the key points from your meetings. The AI automatically identifies action items and follow-up tasks and assigns them to team members with completion deadlines. But that's not all. The new feature has customizable options, allowing you to choose what information's included in the summary. This means you'll always get the most relevant and useful information for your business. Meeting Recap is available to Microsoft Teams Premium subscribers. It's there under the Recap tab. If we can help you upgrade, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.